Hey Rush fam, I know you guys know where I am today. It's the Spyglass. Stay tuned guys, because this is a magnificent, it's a great development guys, so stay tuned. Hey guys, so I always wished when I was a child I had a S on my chest like I'm Superman, but that wasn't possible. But this development, the Spyglass, has a S. So I'll be doing a quick walkthrough with you guys, just highlighting some of the amenities. The views, first of all guys, you're gonna have to come up here to see the views. The camera, the drone, does not do any justice for the views. The views is awesome. You can literally see anywhere in Kingston from here. Now I have a surprise for you guys, because I was surprised as well. Alright guys, so the surprise is there is still a lot of availability here. So I wasn't aware, but there is an official launch coming up for the Spyglass. A very big fancy launch. You know, the Prime Minister will be here, the whole works. And that's where the apartments, the townhouse, the penthouse will be going on sale. I don't know why I thought this development was all sold out. But guys, you still can be a part of this mega development. In my mind, to be honest with you, I think the Spyglass probably is in the #1 place. Alright, so #1 spot when it comes to best residential development, when it comes to amenities, and most of all, what put the icing on the cake is the view. Guys, anywhere you are on this property, the view is one of the best, right? And I'm sure you guys saw from the drone. So we know there are some great developments out there, and most of them have similar stuff: gym, pool, you know, conference room, the whole works. But I think what Spyglass have over everybody is the view, and it really put it in one of the #1 spot in terms of best residential development. And as I said, there's availability here. I'm going to put the developer number right on the screen now, and I'll also put it in the comments. You guys can reach out to him. But as I mentioned, there's going to be a official launch, and there are going to be viewings available, model unit for the townhouse, for the penthouse and for 2-bedroom apartment as well. So you guys stay tuned. You guys stay tuned to the channel. Make sure you subscribe, turn on your notification bell, because you know, as best as I can, I'll be here for that launch as well. So I'll just be showing some highlights here and there. So even while chilling, even while in your pool, even while walking, all about the views. So you have the strata office around that side and gym. You have golf carts as well. So on this property you'll have golf carts. You can drive around the property. You have kids play area. You'll have a pickleball court. You know, the whole works. Conference room. That's a quick shot of the golf carts that you'll have on the property. And yes, they also have a golf court. So great development. Let me know what you guys think. In terms of price, I don't have any price. But as I said, a major launch is coming up. You can also reach out to the developer as well. And you just stay tuned to the channel for further updates. But as I mentioned, lots of availability still on the Spyglass. They're trying to finish as much work as possible. It's now close to completion, and they'll be launching and making apartments, townhouse, penthouse available for purchase. So definitely stay tuned, guys. So all the driveway and concrete is reinforced, very thick. You know, it's very durable for a very long time. We have over this side, you have a bar area. So you have a swim up bar and then an upper level bar as well. You have this pool. A lot of leaf in there now because, you know, construction is still ongoing and they're working on the finer details right now. So you don't have to worry about, you know, the ongoing work. That's a part of construction. You have restroom, changing room, the bar area as I mentioned, and also, you know, the swim up area as well. Guys, I don't know about you, but I'm in love with this development. I know all my funds stay, and I know I can't afford one of this right now, but if I could, if I had the money, this is where I would spend it. These are, you have 1, 2, 3 jacuzzi over this side, and then each one of these townhouses has views and have their swimming pool, their plunge pool, which you saw or will see from the drone shot. That's the Mona Dam over that side. So it's a Spyglass. Great name, great development. You have a full barbecue area over that side. You have gym, 2 sections. You have one for, you know, weights, that type of thing, then one for cardio. You also have a strata office on the property. So because it's a very big property, I use the drone to capture as much of it as possible. So you guys can stay tuned for more drone shots that are coming up. Alright, so right here is a putting green area being worked on. Some persons refer to it as mini golf. But yes, you'll also have that feature. You'll also have that as one of your amenity along with the view. And now I see why they call it Spyglass, because you'll be able to look through a binocular or a spyglass on all this beautiful scenery. Alright, so kids play area being worked on. So remember guys, all we're covering in this video is the exterior, and I am already in love with the exterior. Can you imagine when we're back for the open house and can take a look inside? So a great property. So we have 2 covered spaces for the townhouse right here, parking space, and you have additional covered parking over this side as well. I love the blue glass as well. You know, from anywhere in Kingston you can look up in the hills and you can see this blue glass. Really stands out, and it makes the Spyglass very recognizable as well. So again guys, let me know what you think about this development. Let me know what you think about this property. Share your thoughts, share your comments. Again, a lot of availability still there. Reach out to the developer. A major launch will be coming up, so you guys can attend the launch. You guys can come when the model units are ready, and you guys can still check out details from the developer right now. So not much of a long video because I'm not doing any interior shots. So share your thoughts. It's this Spyglass. I'm in love. This one is definitely in my top 3, and I feel like it's in my #1 spot for the best residential development. Each apartment cluster have its own elevator. Everybody gets their view. So 1, 2, 3, 4, I think what, 5 clusters. I'll double check. All these townhouses have views, plunge pool, 2 space for parking. What do you guys think? So it's the Spyglass. Remember to comment, remember to like, remember to subscribe, and remember to share as well. You probably know someone that's interested in an investment, a long-term investment in real estate. You can definitely send them this video. And the cheapest way to support the channel is by subscribing. It's free. So stay tuned for some more drone shots coming up shortly.